Hey coders, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, please click subscribe, and if you're a regular, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be talking about the top 10 highest paid IT skills in 2024. I saw an article. So when I saw the article, like I expected, like back in 2021 or 2022, things that you would expect: data analyst, software development, UX design, artificial intelligence has always been there. But you won't believe what I saw. Okay, I didn't believe what I saw. I did believe it, but I was shocked. This is where we are with AI now. So I'll be naming them and their description, what it is, because to be honest, I didn't know any of them. So let me know what you think. So it's an article from CIO by Sarah K. White. So the first one is generative AI. Generative AI is a hot topic in the tech industry, and not surprisingly, businesses are eagerly adopting the technology to create services and products that make the most of this emerging technology. Chat applications such as ChatGPT have made strong headway, as have image generators such as DALL-E 3, capturing the image of businesses everywhere. Such technologies are being harnessed to create better customer service platforms, automate processes, and even drive business decision making. The scope of generative AI is huge, and we're only in the early stages of its adoption. So acquiring these skills will make your resume stand out for years to come. Okay, let's go to the second one. Second one is SOE, System on Chip, which is skills involved integrating circuit technology with the aim of better compressing data and system components into one piece of silicon. It's become a vital skill for producing mobile devices and for developing embedded systems, IoT devices, and other consumer products. SOE helps reduce power consumption and can help ensure devices require less space and cost less to build from discrete components, making it an appealing choice for businesses developing technical hardware. Okay, deep learning. Deep learning has quickly become a hot skill in the tech industry as companies seek to make the most of AI. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning and revolves around creating artificial neural networks that can intelligently pull together and learn information from several data sources. It's a critical component to AI, enabling the services and products built on AI to be more intelligent and efficient for users and businesses. Okay, and then Torch. So Torch enables fast and efficient GPU support, focusing on improving flexibility and speed when building complex algorithms. It can be useful for an array of AI-related tasks, including deep learning, research, computer vision, natural language processing, model development, and model deployment. The next one is PyTorch. PyTorch is an open source machine learning library developed by Facebook's AI research lab. It is used to execute and improve machine learning tasks such as NLP, computer vision, and deep learning. PyTorch is a critical framework for building neural networks and is based on the Python programming language and the Torch open source library. It's a successor to the Torch framework and is useful for deep learning research, model development and deployment, enabling computer vision and implementing NLP. Like, these things, I've never heard of them. I think it's mostly overseas. I don't think in South Africa we are there yet, but I think it's better to upskill in that direction, if I may say. Another one is computer vision. Computer vision is an area of AI-focused on enabling computers to see the world as humans do and to derive meaningful insights from visual inputs and digital images. The goal is to enable AI to intelligently process visual information, make decisions based on what it sees, offer recommendation, and even take action to remedy problems as they arise. Computer vision skills are important for helping AI systems with image classification, object detection, and recognition, 3D reconstructions, biometrics data collection, and motion tracking and analysis. Hey. You know, I remember back then, I think like 2018, 2019, there were courses given like for free for AI. I know even at UJ, if you were studying at UJ, you could take AI as an extra module. I think it was for free. I can't believe we have it. And then another one, system Verilog, commonly used in the semiconductor industry. System Verilog is a hardware description and verification language used to model, design, test, simulate, and implement electronic systems. Okay. Mesos. Mesos is an open source project that started as a research project at UC Berkeley, lately evolving into an open source Apache project. It is an open source distributed systems kernel that enables you to take information and resources from different servers in a cluster and deliver that information on one platform. Using Mesos, organizations can share resources more efficiently across multiple applications, and the tool is designed to scale with organizations as their resources grow. Another one, Rust, created by a software developer at Mozilla in 2006 as a personal project. Rust is a programming language that has a strong focus on performance, type safety, and concurrency. Mozilla officially sponsored the project in 2009 and released the language in 2015, where it was then rapidly adopted by organizations such as Amazon, Google, Discord, Dropbox, Meta, and Microsoft. Rust skills are commonly used for systems programming, web development, game development, networking, and developing software for embedded systems. And the last one, is this the last one? Yeah. The last one is Elixir, which is a functional programming language that was designed to support scalability, fault tolerance, metaprogramming, tooling, and concurrency. The language was built on the Beam, a virtual machine, and is most used in web development and when building real-time messaging systems, IoT applications, and distributed systems. Elixir skills revolve around web development, developing distributed systems, enabling real-time communication and chat applications, and running background programming tasks. All of these things. Rust, I don't know if I've heard about Rust before, but it sounds a bit familiar. But the rest, it's just AI, and I never thought we would be here. So according to me, I think if you're a software developer or in the tech space, it's better to upskill in the direction of AI, because we can see that it's becoming part of our daily lives. So I think it's better to upskill in that direction. If you guys think otherwise, please do comment down below, and do give this video a thumbs up, comment, and do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Until the next one, bye guys.